Hello there, my name is Tiago, I'm a Zividian and welcome to our lab. So today I want to explain you what are the most common mistakes that people do when doing hand-eye calibration. This can be basically divided into different categories, or the camera or the robot. So let's focus on the robot side. On the robot side, people can mess up by copying the wrong poses or when converting this pose into a transformation matrix. Also be aware, if the point cloud is in millimeters, keep your robot pose in millimeters as well. Let's focus now on the camera. On the camera side, people normally mess up by not having the camera well attached to the robot or by starting with the camera cold. Another problem is not being able to detect the calibration board. This can happen by not having the right settings on the camera or by not having it completely in the center of the field of view. Also, keep in mind, if you are doing hand-eye calibration, we are not doing a lens calibration. So, by keeping the calibration board in the center of the field of view, you'll get much better results. People mess up by not placing the calibration board on the scene where the robot will actuate. They should put the calibration board for the hand-eye calibration process in the same place where the robot is going to do a pick or touch or doing his own job. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.